Hey, what's up guys? Doing a contract job today. Climbing for another company. Gonna cut down an oak. Well, two oaks. One's dead over there, you'll see it on the video, and this one, there's actually a lot of room right by the river. We want to keep it from going in the river. So, there's this guy right there. I think, if I get up there and I feel comfortable, I think I'm just gonna top the whole thing out about right there, just to keep it from going into the river, because there's plenty of room here for it. So we'll see. Hope you enjoy the video. What's up guys, Joe Bisping checking in here. Gonna top out this oak tree here. Wanted to give you a little look at it before I do it, before I slap you on my helmet. There she is. I'm gonna throw it right down in the opening here. Enjoy the show. Well, there it is, guys. You can see we got the top down safely. It's just shy of the river here. It's what we wanted to avoid, going in the river. Woo-wee. Pretty close, but I'll take it. Like I said, those straps to give you a little bit of a, insurance policy there. It's cheap. No guarantees, obviously, but it gives you some peace of mind too. It helps. So if you're ever in a situation like that, go ahead and throw those on there. It's worth the extra couple of minutes. Safety's the priority, not speed. Have a good one.